Concert promoters organize live music events, from small gigs to major festivals. They book artists, find venues, arrange tickets, and promote the event to attract an audience. Their job is to make sure everything runs smoothly, from planning and budgeting to managing staff and sorting out technical needs. It's a fast-paced role that involves working with musicians, agents, venues, and marketing teams. A passion for music and strong organizational skills are key. In the UK, a new concert promoter might earn between £18,000 and £25,000 a year. With more experience and successful events, earnings can rise to £30,000 to £50,000 or more. Top promoters working on major tours or festivals may earn significantly higher, especially if they work freelance or run their own company. Income can vary a lot, depending on the size and success of each event. There's no set route to becoming a concert promoter, but many start by studying music business, events management, or marketing at college or university. What really matters is experience. Helping at gigs, volunteering at festivals, or working for venues can help build contacts and knowledge. Good communication, time management, and problem-solving skills are all essential. Most promoters build their career by starting small and working their way up.